That's nuts, Lily.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, ET, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me and three of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same for you, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm outside.
That's nuts, Lily. That's nuts, Lily.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, ET, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me and three of me when it was you change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm outside.
That's nuts, Billy. That's nuts, Billy.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Insta, just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things that started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to.
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I did no baby hairs, y'all. Like, y'all know that's out of character for me. I love baby hairs. People be like, can you do a no baby hair look? And I'd be saying no, because I don't be wanting to do no baby hairs. I wanted to just let the highlights just speak for themselves. They're so pretty. The lace is super duper melted. Like, this is some really, really good lace. I did have to bleach the knots twice because the knots were pretty thick and dark, so I did have to process them twice, but I think that they came out really nicely. Guys, what the hell? I don't have no baby hairs. That's so crazy. But I love how it looks. It holds a curl super beautifully. This hair is super duper bomb. Like, what? So if you guys want to purchase this wig from Westkiss Hair, I will have all the information in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this look. Is it giving? Do you like baby hairs? Do you like no baby hairs? A part of me feels like I will be adding baby hairs to this wig off camera just because I just love baby hairs, but I think it definitely came out really nicely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.